welcome back to my channel. What's up? I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna do this makeup tutorial right here, and this is my everyday go-to makeup look if I want to wear makeup. I think this is sweet, simple and easy spring and summer makeup look. It's very girly kind of vibes. Girls are college going, office going girls, then you can just only remove the falsies and coat your lashes with mascara, and I think then you are good to go. And most important, I haven't used foundation. I know it looks quite heavy, I don't know, but guys, you can switch lipstick if you want to go nude, like whatever. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So let's get to the video now. I have applied sunscreen and moisturizer, so let's move on to the makeup now. As I have already said, today's video is going to share my everyday daily simple, easy and makeup routine. So first I'm gonna do my brows, and for the brows I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow retractable brow pencil, and in the shade medium brown, and this one is affordable also. When I used this brow pencil first, I didn't like it, but when I used again and again, I think I like this brow pencil. For the brows, I'm gonna do very natural brows. Who like to do heavy brows, you know, in everyday routines. That's it, and don't worry about the mess. We are gonna clean with the concealer. And then I'm gonna take this flat brush and this one concealer, any concealer, and I'm just gonna clean this mess, give them a clean and clear brow shape. After that, I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender. Don't blend your eyebrows, just be careful. Actually, I like my brows today. After then, I'm gonna use this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, clear brow gel mascara. It helps to give your brows more natural look and long lasting. This one is so cheap and so good. Look at this, the packaging is so good. If you have good like natural, thick brows, you can just comb with this one and you are just ready to go. I don't know you guys are seeing this or not, but look at this one. Oh my god, this is so good. It gives you a feathery kind of brows, so I just love these brows. I mean, wow, so natural and so good. So yeah guys, and I'm not gonna use foundation today because I'm gonna enjoy my imperfection, so I don't need to cover them like all the time, like every day, because I'm very comfortable with my skin and I'm so happy with my skin just the way it looks. So I'm not gonna cover this area, but I'm definitely gonna use this concealer. And these two concealer, one is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 220 Sand Shadow in Fit Me concealer, and another one is this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and Age Rewind I'm in the shade Light Pale. Look at this one is like almost finished and I need to buy another one. So this one is my favorite concealer, and this one is too, guys. These two concealer are just awesome. If you want full coverage, go with this one, and if you want like regular kind of dewy kind of concealer, then just go with this one. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna weight this sponge, yeah, and then just blending, of course. So what is your favorite thing in makeup to do, So just let me know in the comment section below. Mine is Mine is like I like to do mascara and eyelashes for sure, and then highlighter and lipstick. I mean, like everything. Look at this, these two blends so amazing. Like I'm sweating all out. Before my concealer crease, I'm gonna use this Airspun loose powder. To set this concealer, I'm gonna use the brush. And my T-zone. Whenever you sweat a lot, use loose powder. It helps to keep your makeup last longer and in place throughout the day. And my forehead. You know, this part is like, I mean, I have overall oily skin and I can oily skin, so I have to do this my whole face, not just only T-zone area. Then I'm gonna use this Studio MAC Fix Compact, and guys, I'm in the shade NC14, old one, and it's like almost gonna finish. This compact gives you coverage as well. If you don't want to wear foundation like every day, you can use this compact and it gives you a nice coverage, guys. So this is just not only a compact, it has coverage as well, so you can see the difference. I'm gonna use this all over my face. You can see, guys, look at this. Amazing. A little bit on my under eyes. You guys have noticed or not, I haven't applied concealer on this eyelid, so I'm gonna apply my concealer here. So, and I'm gonna set this concealer with this compact using this sponge. Then guys, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Just I'm gonna hold for 30 seconds or 10 seconds. Just, oh my god, I can see the difference, guys. I'm gonna use mascara. Today I'm gonna use eyelashes. When you apply eyelashes, you have to curl your lashes and put some mascara. If you don't want to wear or you don't like to wear this falsies, then you can just only coat your lashes and put some mascara, then you are done. But if you like to wear, then go ahead. And I'm gonna use this Foxy lashes. I think I don't need to show you because I have talked about so many times about these lashes. Machines. You can see I have applied falsies, and then I'm gonna use mascara to merge them together. Then I'm gonna use this kajal. I'm gonna use this bronzer, this Hola bronzer from Benefit. I don't like to do heavy contour like in daily basis, so but I like to do bronzing. And jawline. When you use bronzer, bronzer gives you a sun-kissed look. Guys, I'm gonna use this bronzer with this blending brush, just a little bit, and onto my crease here. Just give this nice defined crease. For the blush, I'm going to use this Elegant Pro blush in the shade Just Natural, and look at this shade. This is so pretty shade, guys. It's totally matte and it looks so natural on my skin, guys. And I think just only on my this area, just a little bit, okay, not too much. Now I'm gonna use lipstick. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use this 2000 Kisses wonderful lipstick in the set 39 Warm Passion. You guys have seen this before. And this one, this velvet matte, it doesn't have any shade. I'm gonna apply this one first. Top of that, gonna use this one. Using this brush. Of course, you need setting spray. For the setting spray, I'm gonna use this MAC Spray Plush Prime. This one. And look at this. I have put some glitter in it. So. Okay, last but not least, highlighter. I'm gonna use this Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette. Look at this highlighter shade. Oh my god, I just love this palette. I mean, but it's hard to open this. I'm gonna go with this rose gold one, this one. And my brow bone. Inner corner. Yeah guys, this is the final look. This is my everyday like go-to makeup look. This is all what I do in daily basis. So I think it's pretty much simple. I have just add falsies. If you don't like to wear falsies like every day, you can just only put some mascara. That's it. This messy bun, and that's me. And that's my everyday look. What do you think about this look, guys? Just let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial and this look, then just give me a big thumbs up. And if you don't like, then click the dislike button. And if you love this look, then also subscribe to my channel and join my small family. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. And if you guys want me to do any video like a tutorial, like anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna do for you guys. I feel so happy when I do YouTube videos. Also guys, follow me on Instagram. Here is my name, because I do post their mini makeup tutorial and makeup reviews, skincare reviews. So that's why. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and like this video. So stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy guys. Bye bye. Love you all.